Hi, welcome to this demo of the customer relationship management system. I'm just logging in as a user. So this platform is called as Enterprise Now, and we have various applications within this platform. For any organization, if you take, you have various functions like sales, you have IT, you have product management, you have project creations, finance, etc. So based on your access which you have requested, we have provided access for each of the functions. Now coming to the sales management, this is nothing but a customer relationship management tool. So here you have two distinct areas where one is you create various leads and second is how do you manage your opportunities. When you go into the lead management, you can see the various features over here. I'll explain to you what the various features are. So meanwhile, so this basically, if you can see on this, you can create various leads. You can define the various companies. You can see the assigned companies which are being assigned to each salesperson. You have feature for communicating with your leads and nurturing them. And there are also features for collateral management, meaning all your marketing and sales collaterals could be maintained in a single area. And then you can send this to your leads as and when you require that. Right? So that is one thing which is important. Now, when you see this dashboard, so you have various lead analytics. So how many leads are configured, how many companies are there, how many team members do I have, how many new leads are created this month, and unassigned leads, meaning I still active, it to be assigned to a sales guy, how many active leads, and any activities which you have done this week, it will come up here. And similarly, the action items, if you have against a particular leads, will also be coming here. Another key feature is whenever an account manager visits a customer, it's better to get a feel of the news from the customer. So we have a AI module which will automatically scan the net, and based on for each customer, it will give you a positive, negative, and neutral reviews. So when I click this, I can see, for example, you take Bandhan Bank, or you can take CPCL, or whatever it is, right? So for each lead, if there's any news about that lead in the net, it will fetch this completely. So Bandhan Bank expands footprints in 18 new branches across 4 states. So this is a news which has come up. So when you click this, you can see what the news is about. So similarly, you have various news, and then you can see some of the neutral reviews. Neutral reviews are something which not positive, not negative, uh, and then negative news, anything negative about the bank or something like that, you can see that, right? So I have moved into the archive, so that's why you are not able to see that. So when you click this, you can see investors have lost 48% over the last 3 years. So like this, you can see various reviews. So a salesperson, before he calls a particular customer, he can go through this to understand what is the action items, what are the news about the company. Similarly, action items against each lead, whatever I have, I can just see this initial demo to be scheduled, show demo of the system, and things like that. So you can see various actions which you have done and which it has been, we can track it to closure. Now the first step in this lead management is to create new leads. So I can create leads. When I create a lead, you fill up all of these details. So I can also show you some leads which have been created in the past. Let us take, for example, yeah, various leads created here. Let us take Rakesh Mishra. So you can see sales head of water business. And this is a Forbes Marshall's website. You can see the website of the company to get understanding of what business they are into. Then you also have his email or contact number. And if they have any LinkedIn or Facebook or Twitter, you can also quickly access them here. So these are something which you can easily configure in this. And once the lead is created, you will see the list of companies where you have created it, and you can also see who are the leads which you have created. So for Pharmoplastic, we have Ganesh Prasad as a chairman, and for Vault Info, we have Sudhakar as a CEO. Right. So once you create this, you assign these leads to a particular sales guy. For example, I choose this, assign to the account managers. So for example, here I'm assigning it to myself. So it has gone from here, and now you can see the leads. Let's say Sudhakar is there, so I'm just assigning it to my team member also. So that covers the process of first identifying the leads, the companies, assigning them to respective salespeople. Now, if you see the assigned leads, all these companies which we have created are coming here. So Sudhakar and other things will be here in this system. We have created this right now, right? So now the other feature is the lead communication. Before we go into communication, you can see the collateral management. So these are all some of the collaterals I have already created for my company. So operations management, small business suite, manufacturing and process industries, these are the solutions which we have. And for each of the solutions, you have what are the collaterals. It's a PPT, PDF, who has created, or other files, you can save it here. So now I am just going into the collateral management, and then let us take, for example, Forbes Marshall. I'm just trying to send to this lead. So you can track all your activities. First is I'm establish a new connection. I can save it. So I get this. I will have to nurture the lead. I can have a telephonic call. I can find out their interest. And so like this, the system will track all the activities which you have done. So if you click here for Rakesh Mishra, I can see everything. So next, I can send collaterals. So the first thing is when I send collaterals, I can give an introductory mail about the company. So the mail automatically goes from this platform. So here I have the list of collaterals which I showed you earlier. It is available here. You can see operations, manufacturing, enterprise software, everything is here. Let us take operations management, small business suite. I can have for small business operations. I can confirm that. So this goes as an attachment here. Right now I can draft the mail. So I can send it. So I can even copy it to myself if it is required. So this mail will be sent to the lead directly from the system. And not only that, after the mail has been sent, it will store all the mail in the repository. So you can see it in the activity history as well. So I can just save it. So you can see this has got saved here. If you want to see what mail has been sent, I can click it here to see what it has been sent. And any attachment you want to see, I can see the attachment also here. And you can view whatever the attachment has been sent. So this collateral has been sent to the company. So next, as we nurture the lead, there could be some interest which has been generated. So I can tell, okay, if a particular lead is interested in a particular activity for our particular solution, so I can convert it into an opportunity. I can add a new opportunity for this and lead source. I can also see the opportunity owner and which geography it belongs to. Summary. So I can also tell whether it belongs to products or service and enterprise software solutions. I can tell this is for which one, compliance, IT, lead and opportunity management, right? And what is the probability of winning? I can tell it is initially 0 to 25%. An opportunity value would be, let us say, around 2 lakhs per year, right? I can just save it. So I have put it here, opportunity for CRM. So now, if I go into the opportunity management, I'm just going inside the opportunity management now. So you can see if I go into the opportunity management, this opportunity will be there. If I look at view all opportunities, uh, Rakesh Mishra products, this is new, something has come up. If I want to click this, you can see CRM for foods, it's already there. Okay, so activity is still new. So now, as a part of this update, I can update the status of the opportunity. So I can tell, okay, this is the details. So progress details, if I go, I can tell analyze the opportunity. Probability is still at 25%. I can save it. So next time when I do update, you can see the status is now in analysis and in progress. So I can take it to the next level, arrange for a demo. So like this way, the workflow drives you to the various uh, the same. So probability is still at this stage it is 25%, and I can also mark action items for providing a demo. I can give a target date which you can probably track. Right. So once this is done, you can also see the dashboard for opportunities. It's slightly different. So what you saw in sales was more about the lead. and nurturing them. And here it is more on the actual opportunities which are there in your with you. You can see the opportunity analytics, how many opportunities are there, with how many companies, right? And then what is the status of each opportunity, how much has been won, lost, and in progress, how much is the action item. So you click on the action items, you can see setup, demo meeting, CP Sil, Rakesh Mishra, target date June 30th, right? So like this, you can have all the action items and track it to closure. And similarly, sentiment analysis for the companies which are already available here as opportunity. So we have, I mean, if you have, this will require at least 1 day for it to provide. So there is no review as such for Forbes Marshall. But if you take, let us take CPCL, yeah, you have 14 positive reviews. So you can see that. So this opportunity, when you discuss with the customer, you can also have a view of all these news before you discuss with the customer. An opportunity status you have, and opportunity analytics also is very rugged. So between the sales team, you will see what is the follow-up which has been done for the opportunities and how it is progressing. So when you go into this dashboard, you have a complete dashboard of the sales, how many opportunities are currently active, and how many activities of the different types, what is the value of the deals which are won, total pipeline value based on the opportunity, total pipeline values, how much is won, how much is lost, and how many opportunities with stages. And you can also see the pipeline view. Basically, it will give the number of counts of opportunities, status, source of opportunities. You have some analytics which will give you the complete meaning. So this will continue on till you win a deal or lose a deal. So this gives you a basic idea about our lead and opportunity